it's Ariel back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Cats. And I just downloaded this game on my device. It should be unique and it looks very cool from the preview. Okay, we're watching a battle go on live on TV. Oh my gosh, he's gonna win. Oh no, they got him out. He quit watching the world championship, dreaming to participate. Since it's your birthday, I have a present. It's not my birthday. Must have been someone else's because my birthday is next month. Happy birthday, Ariel. Why are you so sad? Aren't you happy to see your uncle? I don't have an uncle called Tony. Sorry for being away all these years, but that's what happens when you owe a lot of money to bad guys. He might be drunk. Now let's open the container. Open. And we got a wooden boat, kind of. Congratulations, it's your first fighting machine. Let's install the rocket launcher. Click. I guess. Back. Click the back button. What are you waiting for? Get in there. Looking good. Now let's win some new parts for your machine. So we're a cat in a Okay, we'll have to fight other people. It's like a global game. Remember, you don't control the machine. It fights automatically. Your job is to assemble the best machine out there. So it does it automatically. I thought you would have had to control it. Oh, he's done for. I mean, there's no way he could. Oh, he just made an evil's face. Your machine won. You've been rewarded with this as your first supply box. It contains new parts that will help you improve your machine. Take it. Okay. I guess I should just take it. And the supply boxes are seated. Well, it takes time to open them. Unlock 6. But you can speed up the process with good tools. This time it's on me. Open 3. Tap. Okay. I don't know what that is. Okay, we got a different. I really don't know about this. We've been getting too much for me to maintain. Okay, we won too much stuff already for me to remember all of them. Pretty cool, right? Keep winning quick fights to get more supply boxes. And don't forget to visit the garage and check out your new parts. I think this would be the next logical step. Let's see. Okay. Where's the machines? What's this do? Wait, what was I looking for? Oh, these are wheels. I want one of those. And where's that weapon that I was looking for? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I think this should be good. Our hearts are going up. I don't know what that means yet. What can we put here? Like on this. I think I might want to use this actually. And then we'll have the. Where's the cook? Okay. Cookie. So then what do we put here? Uh, what actually goes there? Let's just go back. Before you go, I have a small gift for you. This will make this take this sticker. It will make your fighting machine look special. Choose a sticker. Pick one of the stickers below. I'll choose the monkey one. Looks great. Can't wait to see. I can't wait to see it in a battle. We have 1 win streak. Now come on, Ariel. You can beat this imposter. Oh, never mind. Oh, no. Oh, yes. What confronted him? His size was... He was too big to chew. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense, but... He was too big for his own good. Let's see this next battle. Okay, this guy looks... He has a bottle. Wait. He just lost his bottle. But we're still winning because we're too small for him to touch us. Okay, we beat him. 2 win streak. Not bad. Not bad at all. Want to get on TV and fights in the finals? Yes. I entered you at the first stage of the championship. And you have to beat 23 stages in order to get to the finals. Wait, 20. Oh, that's a lot. I'm sure you get there and become a star, but let's get back to the first stage. First stage. What did I just... Okay, that's you. You're in the competition. I don't see my name. There are several ways to win the championship. Let's try to win a series of fights. I'm 11. Fight. Fight against all other players from your group one by one. Win 3 fights to get instant promotion. Oh no. This could be a close battle. He might win. I barely made it. Oh no. He's gonna get me. No, he got me. Are you serious? Oh, actually, I don't know who would win it. He confronted me. This guy doesn't move. And I'm stuck. How is my fighting machine so awful? Should have been trained better than this. We're beating Curry. We beat him. Let's get you. Oh. His name's Hijja. What a weird name. You won 3 fights. You've been instantly promoted to the next stage. Congrats on winning the first championship stage. Thank you. I'm wearing a blue top. I don't think I'm ready for this. You've unlocked more powerful stars. Pick one of the stickers. Saturn. Why not? Legendary works. Oh. And... Oh. I'm going to garage. I know you're eager to get back into the fights, but let's improve your machine first. I was going to improve it, by the way. You can use some unused parts to improve your favorite ones. Your machine has successfully defended itself 2 times. Choose the part you want to remove. Then fuse another part into it. This. Level up 3. Well done. Keep improving your parts to make your machine more powerful. Wait, fuse. Oh, how do we, wait. Let's choose another part. Let's fuse. No, I don't want to fuse this. I want to fuse it with this. What's this? Wait, I want to take this off. And then let's see this. How do we put, it won't let us put this on. Oh, this goes here. And then we can just put something else like, I have the perfect idea. Let's see this. And let's boost it with, fuse it with this. There we go. Psst, I see you've got a new super part. I know, guys, you can turn any of your regular parts into a super part. All you need is to make a bet. Tap to bet. This is the upcoming fight. You think is going to win. Choose on one of the players and place your bet. The parts you will gain super bonuses if you win. Try it. I bet I think he should win. Drag the part. What? I don't understand this. I want to keep this. Oh, drag the punch. You want to bet here. Oh no, I don't want to bet anything. I'll bet this. Okay, done. Yep. I've done it. No, I don't want, I want to bet this. Now what do I do? Well, I want to change it to this. Okay. Want to bet. I'll tell you when this actually works, and I'll be back with you guys. So, turns out that you actually have to put the body that you have to do like the body and the stuff like that. So I will bet this. Place body here. Wait, I want to put this. Maybe the body that we weren't using that. We were using this. Want to bet lace body here.